Good morning everyone. How are you all? You all are looking fit and fine. I am Ekta ma'am. Our today's topic is school. Today we will learn about school and we will also learn some good manners and safety rules which you must follow at school.
Now we are going to learn about school. Okay? So tell me children, where do you all go to study? Yes, you all go to school to study. And do you know the name of your school? Very good. The name of your school is 9 Kids. Now, what you can see in front of the school building? Yes, this is the school van and children come to school by school van. Now, I will show you the different sections of the school. This is the principal office and it is a working place of the school principal. This is the classroom where we all sit together and study. You can see blackboard, duster, chalk, tables, chairs, books and many more things in the classroom. This is the art and craft room where you all can learn and enjoy creative art and craft activity. This is the play area. I know that this is your most favorite part of the school because here you all can play and enjoy with your friends. This is the library. You can see here there are so many books in the library. But do you know one thing? You cannot make noise in the library because your noise may disturb someone who read silently in the library.
Now it's time to learn some good manners.
The first good manner is to greet others. You should always greet others whenever you meet them. When you go to school in the morning, you should say good morning to your teachers. And you can also say hello, hi, how are you to your friends with a big smile on your face. The another good manner is to share. You should learn to share with your friends. You should learn to share toys, food and any other things with your friends who need them. Right? By doing this, you can make your friend happy and in return, they will share with you also. Next good manner is listen to your teacher. You should always listen to your teacher carefully and never interrupt in between. You should always raise your hand if you want to say something. The next good manner is to help others. You should always help your friends, parents and grandparents and be a good children. The next good manner is to use magic words. You should always use these magic words. The first magic word is thank you. You should say thank you when your teacher gives you compliment. And you can also say thank you when someone gives you something. The next magic word is may I. You should say may I when asked for something like may I come in madam or may I go out to play. Next magic word is excuse me. You should say excuse me when you want to interrupt in between. The another magic word is sorry. You should say sorry when you hurt someone. Next magic word is please. You should say please when you want to ask for something, like, please give me that book. You must follow the safety rules of the school, otherwise there can be serious accidents. The rules that keep you safe in the school are: you should walk in a line and you should not run while using stairs. Otherwise, you or someone else might fall and get hurt. Do not jump or stand on the bench. And you should not run in the classroom. Otherwise, you may lose your balance and fall down. Do not push anyone in the class. Otherwise, he or she may fall down and get hurt. It is very dangerous to poke pencil. So, do not poke pencil to anyone. Do not play with ID card and do not put things in the mouth, because by doing this you may injure yourself.
Now it's time for worksheet.
This is the worksheet related to school safety rules. Here we have some pictures that show safe and unsafe situations. Now what we have to do? We have to put tick mark on safe situations and cross mark on unsafe situations. Okay? The first picture shows do not run in the classroom. In the second picture, the boy is running up and down the stairs. In the third one, the boy is playing with ID card. The fourth situation is do not poke pencils. In the fifth picture, the situation is do not push anyone. And the last situation is do not put things in the mouth.
I hope you liked today's session. So tomorrow we will meet again with some activity and solution of the worksheet. Till then, bye.